In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan for stocks in Thinkorswim. First, make sure you're using the Thinkorswim desktop platform. Once it's open and you're on the main workspace, look toward the top of the platform and click the Scan tab. This is your command center for searching the market based on the criteria you care about. Inside the Scan tab, select the Stock Hacker sub-tab. Stock Hacker is the dedicated area where you create and manage stock scans. Think of it as the canvas for your screening ideas. This is where you'll define what you want the platform to look for and how broad or narrow that search should be. At the very top of Stock Hacker, you'll see a control labeled Scan In. This drop-down determines the universe of symbols your scan will check, so it's worth choosing thoughtfully before you go any further. The right selection here saves time and ensures your results align with your goals. If you choose all stocks, you're casting the widest net. This typically includes both listed and some over-the-counter names, which can be helpful if you don't want to miss thinner or lower-priced stocks. Just keep in mind that wider universes can create longer scan times and more noise in your results. All listed stocks narrows the search to major exchanges. This is a solid choice if you want to focus on companies that meet exchange listing standards and generally have better liquidity and reporting. It's a practical default when you want quality without going too broad. All optionable restricts the scan to stocks that have listed options. This is ideal if your strategy involves options or if you prefer symbols that tend to have higher liquidity and interest. It's also useful when you're preparing for strategies that rely on options chains, since every result will already be option eligible. You can also target a custom watch list you've made. This option is perfect for staying focused on a curated set of symbols, maybe your core holdings, a sector you're researching, or a list you maintain for earnings season. Scanning a watch list keeps results tight and relevant to your priorities. Whichever you pick in the scan and drop-down will control which symbols your scan will check. You can always adjust this later as your focus changes, and your other scan settings will remain in place. That's all you need to set the foundation for powerful scanning in Thinkorswim. Launch the platform, open the Scan tab, head to Stock Hacker, and choose the right universe in Scan In. With that selection dialed in, you're ready to refine your search and explore the market with confidence.